In this video, I will show you how to make Gamepass in Please Donate. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to do this, as you can see, we're currently here in Please Donate. So what you're going to want to do first is find an empty store, one that's been unclaimed. Normally the arrows are going to take you to an empty store, so you can see there's one here which hasn't been claimed. Once you're at the store, hold down E to claim the store. As you can see, we've now claimed the store. Now you can see I've actually got a couple of game passes available, which I've already created. If you don't, that's no problem at all. What I'm going to do is show you how to go ahead and create a game pass. So let's go ahead and jump into the Roblox website. So let's open up roblox.com, and once you're on roblox.com and you're logged into your account, make sure of course it's the same account that you're using to play Please Donate. What you want to do is come up to the top and click onto create. Then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, and in this menu you want to click onto creations. From here, go ahead and select your place, your experience, and once you clicked onto that, come over to the left hand side, scroll down to the monetization section and click onto passes. So this way you can come to actually go ahead and create your pass. As you can see, I've already got the two that I've previously created, but what you want to do is click onto the blue create a pass button. From here, what you can do is use the default image or change and use your own image. Make sure to give your pass a name and also a description, which is optional if you want to. So I'm going to call this one test 2, and once you're happy, come down and click create pass. So as you can see, that's now showing up, but you can see it's currently not for sale. So to change this, all you want to do is click onto the pass, come over to the left hand side and click onto sales, and then what you want to do is click onto this switch here to set the item for sale. Now once you've done that, be sure to enter a price that you want to sell this for. So I'm going to go for 50, then come down to the bottom and click onto the blue save changes button. After doing this, what you can do is come up and click up here where it says back to passes to make sure that that has been applied successfully. As you can see, it's currently selling for 50 Robux and that's currently enabled. So once you're happy with everything, what you can do is come back and reload Please Donate. If you was in a game, make sure to exit the game and come back into the game. As you can see, the arrows are showing us an unclaimed stand over here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead to claim this stand. So we can go over and hold E to claim the stand. And as you can see, we've got my free game passes. So Tech Tutor's Game Pass Test, and the one that we've just created for 50 Robux, Test 2. So that is how to make Game Pass in Please Donate. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.